Hello, good day. We are now in week 5 proof assignment titled Cybersecurity. We are now connected via RDP. In our assignment, we need to view all of the active connections and their associated process IDs. To start, let's open PowerShell. Click Start and right-click Run as Administrator. We're gonna use the command netstat -ano. Let's wait for it to stop. We see here the protocol, local, and foreign addresses, the state, and the process IDs. Now let's pick 2 example ports to prove if they are running or not. Let's pick local addresses 22 with a PID of 3824 and a local address of 135 with a PID of 688. Now let's verify it on Task Manager. Right-click on the taskbar and click Task Manager. In the Services tab, due to many ports on the system, we will use the search box to find the exact process ID and we will see if it's running or not. Let's type the 3824 and it's running. Next is the 688 and we see here that it's both running. We see that both of them are active and running now. To see the list of all active and inactive services, we need to reopen again the PowerShell. We're gonna use the code get service. We see here the list of all status, the display names of the active services. To verify the service that I choose, we're going to Services. In Bluetooth user services, we know that it is very important to each devices. And I learned that Bluetooth is a short-range wireless technology that enables devices to exchange data and voice signals without cable. Now let's create a firewall rule. We're gonna use Windows +R and run wf.msc. We are now in Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Let's create a firewall rule. To create it, we need to right-click on Inbound Rule. And then, we're gonna right-click on New Rule. Here we choose Port and Next. In the assignment instructions, we should use TCP and use the port 50,000. Click Next. Allow the connection and Next. I think it's on default setting. We're gonna proceed to Next. And in name, let's use the name inbound rule 50,000 and click finish. We see here in the top list of all rules, and it has a mark of green check, and I think it's the sign up being enabled. So let's proceed to the outbound rules tab. Let's repeat the steps on creating firewall rules. Click new rule, click port, click next, still again TCP, and the specific port is 50,000. Click next, and we're gonna click the allow the connection. Click next and next. We're gonna name it outbound rule 50,000. Click finish. To disable this, we need to right click it and click disable rule. Here we can see that there is no green check telling that it's a sign of disabled. And we are done creating the rules for inbound and outbound rules and successful on how to enable and disable the rules. Let's now proceed to the last part of our assignment. On the search box, type Task Scheduler. Click on Run as Administrator. To create a scheduled task, right-click on the Task Schedule folder. Right-click on the Task Scheduler Library folder and click Create Task. Name it as Daily Windows Update Check. In the trigger part, click New, and we're gonna need to choose the date and time we want it to set. So I choose 10:30 p.m. one time and click OK. On the Actions tab, click New, and we're gonna need to type in program and script. So that we're gonna type PowerShell.exe, and we're gonna add arguments. We're gonna use uso client space start scan. Then we click OK. We're gonna verify it first before we OK. It's enabled now in the trigger tab. Click OK. In here, and now it's in the list of all scheduled tasks, and it is ready on its status. We're gonna right click and run. I think it's all right now, and thank you for watching.